Hello everyone and welcome! English Lessons and Games presents Months and Celebrations. When do we celebrate? Choose the correct answer. Attention! All dates for this game are based on the United States celebrations. Are you ready? In February, we celebrate Labor Day, summer, Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day. We celebrate Christmas in January, December, September. December. We celebrate Easter in February, March or April, June, July or August, September, October or November. February, March or April. In September, we celebrate Labor Day, Christmas, Halloween. Labor Day. We celebrate summer in January, June, October. June. We celebrate Mother's Day in March, April, May. May. We celebrate Thanksgiving Day in July, September, November. November. In July, we celebrate Independence Day, International Women's Day, Halloween. Independence Day. We celebrate International Women's Day in March, April, May. March. We celebrate Halloween in September, October, November. October. How many did you get right? Let me know in the comments. Do you like this video? So don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and leave a comment. I am Andrea, and I see you in the next game. Thanks for watching.